What's her name? I'm recording. Okay. Then making my leg right. Yup, I'm making my leg right. Oh, this is the cow. Count up. They call that count up. Okay. So oh, it's wrong. Oh no, it's wrong. We need to put the way to color tape here. There, and take this thing off. Hey, do you want to see my skin? This is my skin. Wait. My name is Victoria, by the way. And wait a minute. The settings is not opening. Settings faster. Jeez. Yeah, finally. Profile. What is that again? Video. Yep. This is my at the back. Front. Because it's winter here. It's Christmas. Almost Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas at Philippines. Yeah. And this is my back. Oh. Oops. Nasaan ka? Upstairs. You need to speak in English, darling. Wait, it's so slow. Oh, hi. And this is my cousin. Hello. I'm doing something. So now what time is it? And what do I need again? Yeah, I have it's here. Do we have trap door? Yep, trap door. Right here. Oh, it's wrong. And this is the season 1 of this world. And this is the episode 1. I'm sorry I'm not recording. I'm playing this because I don't have a recorder, but now I know how to. Yep. We're right. Hey! This thing doesn't work. Oh! Sorry! We're in my face. Don't go in. You slept there. No. Yeah, you lay down there.
I know how to go there.
Yeah, you lay down there, remember? So, jeez, this thing is hard. Huh. Oopsies. My room. And this is my room, by the way. This is my room. This is only a tour. The first episode. And this is Milk Pills. This is Shampoo. This is Feathers. Where's the other one? Did you kill their baby? Maybe it died. Snail. And this is Rudolph. This is Girly. And this is Hero. Am I right or am I right? Oh, hey! Brian is in the...
Because it's raining a while ago.
Ah, stop it! Stop driving Brian. And this is our horse.
This is Gally.
No, I'm gonna go there later. This is my cousin's horse, Brian, and this is my horse, Hero Prime. Ta-da! And I'm gonna go tour on her room. This is Gally. Oh, I'm lagging. This is Daisy. This is Wish. Someone in here, I mean some pet or something. Where's Goofy?
Here.
I still remember its name. The one that killed me. The dog. I hate you, Goofy. That's a joke. And now we're gonna go.
Upstairs.
Yep, upstairs. Ah, I'm lagging. Oh, sorry. We didn't close the door. Close the door. This is my library. Let's go to see it when I'm building it. And this is the waiting area of my cousin's restaurant. Oh, cool movie. Even though it doesn't move. And this is my cousin's kitchen.
Donna is missing.
The books.
No.
The what? And this is the eating area. Oh, I'm lagging. There. And this is the menu. Fruits is for 20 pesos. Beef is for 20 pesos. Cake is for 100 pesos. Pancake is for 10 pesos. Cookies is for 20 pesos. Pumpkin pie is for 10 to 100 pesos. Salmon fish is for 20 pesos. Fish is for 10 pesos. Bread is for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 10,000.
2,000.
It's 10,000.
2,000.
Yep, 10,000. Oh! I broke it.
What?
There. I fixed it. And that's the tour. I'm gonna be watching me to build. And my cousin's building things and stuff. And this is like a maze, by the way. Not like that maze, but normal maze, but it's a dead end. See? It's a dead end. Look at the sunset. Sunset. They talking until they just nope. I got talking until meow. Wow. Oh. What? So I think that's the end of the video. So I almost fell. So good. Oh. Good. Goodbye, guys. See you at the next video, I think. Yeah.